So now let's see how we can work around with drop shadow inside a Photopea. So now in order to work around with the drop shadow effect, you can go around over here onto a shape. Let's say for example, I'm just going to go around and take the shape tool right here, just like this. Then I can go around over here and right click and then go to blending mode right here. So once I go around onto blending mode, I'm going to go around over here onto drop shadow. Let's say for example right here. And once I go around and do that, I can change around the opacity of the drop shadow, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around and change around the angle according to how you want as well, by moving around the angle, and change around the distance, as you can see right here, just like this as well. You can go around and spread everything out, as you can see right here, to make it much more sharper right here. And you can also go around and change around the size right here as well, and change around the noise as well. Apart from that, you can also go around and work around with the contour for the shadow as well, just like this as well, and change around the opacity and change around the distance right here, and change around the angle right here, just like this, as you can see right here. You can even see the preview right here. So let's just go around over here, and you can see that this is the shadow that you have. So if I were to go press OK, then the shadow has been applied. And that is how you can work around with the drop shadow effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.